¿A trabajar?
Porque no quiero. I don't want to work.
¿Eh?
Tengo flojera.
¿Ajá?
Ajá.
Yeah, I tell you, Puppy, you love him. I love him.